Ghanaian cuisine: Fufu, whipped tapioca, Waakye, rice and red beans; Banku, steamed tapioca; Kenkey, boiled cornmeal. Ghanaian cuisine is filled with a variety of delicious and unique dishes that showcase the country's rich culinary history. Among these dishes are Fufu, Waakye, Banku, and Kenkey, all of which are staples in Ghanaian cuisine. Fufu is a starchy, dough-like substance made from cassava, yams, or plantains that are boiled, mashed, and formed into balls. It is typically eaten with soups or stews and is a popular dish throughout West Africa. Fufu is usually made by pounding boiled cassava, yams, or plantains with a wooden mortar and pestle until it becomes smooth and elastic. This process is known as pounding, and it requires a lot of strength and skill to achieve the perfect consistency. Waakye is a dish made from rice and black-eyed peas that are boiled together until they are cooked. The dish is then served with a variety of accompaniments such as tomato stew, fried plantains, and spicy salsa. Waakye is a popular breakfast dish in Ghana and is often sold by street vendors. Banku is a fermented corn and cassava dough that is cooked in boiling water to form a smooth, elastic dough. It is typically eaten with soups or stews and is a staple food in Ghanaian cuisine. Banku is usually served with fish, meat, or vegetables, and it is often eaten with the fingers. Kenkey is another popular dish in Ghanaian cuisine that is made from fermented corn dough. The dough is wrapped in corn husks and boiled until it is cooked through. Kenkey is typically eaten with soups or stews and is a staple food in Ghanaian cuisine. It is usually served with fish or meat, and it is often eaten with the fingers. In conclusion, Ghanaian cuisine is rich and diverse, with a variety of unique and delicious dishes that showcase the country's culinary heritage. Fufu, Waakye, Banku, and Kenkey are just a few of the many dishes that make up Ghanaian cuisine, and they are all worth trying if you have the opportunity. Whether you are a fan of starchy dishes or prefer something a bit more spicy and flavorful, Ghanaian cuisine has something for everyone. Sure. In addition to Fufu, Waakye, Banku, and Kenkey, there are many other dishes that make up Ghanaian cuisine. One popular dish is jollof rice, a one-pot rice dish that is cooked with tomatoes, onions, and spices. Jollof rice is a staple food in West Africa, and each country has its own unique version of the dish. In Ghana, jollof rice is often served with fried plantains, chicken, or beef. Another popular dish is red, a bean stew made with black-eyed peas, tomatoes, onions, and spices. The dish gets its name from the vibrant red color of the stew, which comes from the tomatoes and palm oil used in the recipe. Red is typically served with fried plantains or rice. Kelewele is a popular street food in Ghana made from fried plantains.